Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and 'tis the season. We are going to make a pumpkin pie. On a side note, we now have hot chocolate. We're going to be selling hot chocolate, and it is so delicious and rich and thick. You just mix it with almond milk, and you just put this mixture and you warm up almond milk, put it in. So you got hot cocoa for the season, and we're going to do pumpkin pie. So what I did is I put a 1/4 cup of Baker's Basic in a dish, and I'm adding butter to it. I need a fork. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flatten this up and make a graham cracker crust. You know how in the video of the cheesecake sliders, that's what I'm doing right now, okay? So there's my crust, okay guys? See that? And then what I'm going to do, you put 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree. Now this is pure pumpkin. Make sure you don't go in on accident buy the other pumpkin stuff that's full of the seasoning and the sugar and stuff. Buy pure 100% pumpkin. 1/3 of a cup, an egg, 2 tablespoons sweetie, and 1/2 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix all this up. And this is how easy it is, guys, and you just microwave it. Depending on your microwave, you might need 3 minutes. So you're gonna microwave it 2 to 3 minutes. Once you mix all this up, and my favorite pumpkin pie is the one that Costco sells. So I try to mimic Costco, just so you know, but the Costco stuff is not bad. It'll put weight on you. This will make you lose weight all day long. Okay, so we're gonna pour it in here on top of the crust. And then we're gonna microwave this for 2 to 3 minutes, and it comes out like this, guys. So delicious. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of it so you can see, okay? See that? And it looks and tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. I've already got customers that tried it, fell in love with it. The only thing it's missing is a little bit of whipped cream, and you're all set. Okay, guys? So come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Everything is Healthy Treats Market. Facebook is Healthy Treats Market. You can join the Healthy Treats Market support group on Facebook. You can subscribe to Healthy Treats Market on YouTube. And whatever you do, go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Guys, the best thing you could ever do for us is leave us a review. So if you go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com, you can click leave a review, and you can see more recipes like this in the recipe book that's on HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Thanks for watching. God bless you.